Hey there, home builders. I am Carol King, the founder and developer of Custom Home Builders Solutions, which is also known as CHS. It is a powerful construction accounting software designed to bring you, the builder owner, immediate answers about where your gross profits are heading on every job, every single day, at any moment, without waiting on spreadsheets to be updated, and to give your accounting team and project managers the tools they need to get all of this done, in addition to all the tools you should expect from a powerful accounting software. I've had the great privilege of collaborating with hundreds of home builders over the years. Many of them consider me not just as a software developer, but more as a consultant or a member of their industry, and even as a friend. I'm passionate about helping you succeed in your business. And I will just say it right up front, CHS was written for the builder to put hands on. It is not just for your accounting team. As the builder owner, it's going to be you who will be sitting across from your customers, bankers, investors, insurance auditors, tax preparer, and any other stakeholders in your business, and I imagine you'd like to show them that you know what you're doing. We want you to have the confidence that you are getting timely and accurate data that you can trust during those crucial interactions. This means that it is critical for you to become familiar with what CHS offers, partly because it's possible that your bookkeeper may not have your expertise about what you need for those meetings, and may tell you the report you need is not there when it really is. So let's try becoming partners. It'll be your job to participate and provide the right people for the job, and to know what you can expect from them and CHS. It will be our job to provide and maintain a platform for you and your team to achieve those instant results for you on a daily basis. Let me tell you, I've been there. I have an accounting degree with honors and spent several years as a controller for a custom home builder. Using generic software that was not designed for construction accounting, I had to enter the same data multiple times. First into the accounting software, then into all kinds of spreadsheets needed by the builder and other entities. I was always waiting on the construction team to approve and code vendor bills before I could post them, causing major slowdowns and interruptions both for the construction team and the back office. Does that sound familiar? Later, after moving to a new city and working on contract for multiple home builders, I saw the same issues over and over. That's when I decided to create a construction accounting software to eliminate the need for those spreadsheets and communication delays, and to provide builders with the instant answers for timely decisions. Local builders heard about my project and volunteered to be test cases, contributing very valuable insights. Working alongside these builders, we developed CHS to include the tools I knew were needed and the tools the builder requested. My goal is to give you peace of mind and ensure that your bookkeeper does not end up in tears. You know, I totally understand that most home builders prefer to focus on building homes rather than dealing with accounting. When I say CHS is designed for you, the builder, to put hands on, I don't mean you need to learn accounting, but you should understand that construction accounting is complex and not covered in basic accounting courses. Since construction accounting is complex and not typically taught in most accounting courses, I had to go through a huge learning curve myself. So I recommend contracting with an accountant experienced in construction accounting to mentor your bookkeeper, review their work, and to use the tools provided in CHS to set things up to help the bookkeeper post data correctly for construction financials. Since CHS is web-based, it is very easy for that accountant to put hands on, which will mean far less work for them and your bookkeeper at tax time. The accountant that you hire to mentor the bookkeeper will recognize what CHS is doing for them, just like a carpenter recognizes what a quality circular saw does for them. By equipping the right people with the right tool, like CHS, you can minimize the time you spend thinking about accounting in the future. So what had become really obvious to me is that to eliminate the need for creating all of those spreadsheets, the builder or estimator should create their job budget proposals and change orders directly in the same program that handles all of the accounting. I also realized the importance of purchase and work orders for keeping everyone in the field and the back office informed about who is doing the work and for how much. This integration is crucial for allowing projected job costs from the construction team to be immediately compared to the actual incurred costs being posted by the accounting team, enabling instant real-time monitoring of where job costs and profits are headed for every single job. This, of course, meant that the big boss, the construction team, and the accounting team would all need access to CHS, with permission levels to control who could access and use specific features. So don't get all worried. You can control who has access to the accounting features and who does not. So we will come back to see just how interactive, powerful, and important the estimated cost at completion window really is for calculating where your current revised contract price is, the current contract balance, outstanding costs, and earned revenues for WIP and percentage of completion reports and tools. I hope by now that you can tell how much I like to work directly with home builders and their teams, and that I do have your best interests at heart, and that I am available to help you with anything that I can. Since I can tend to launch off into too much detail, I am going to now hand this off to another voice so that he can quickly summarize most of what CHS does for you. In order to cover so many features in a short time, it will move fast, so I suggest you use full screen to watch it and pause the video to look at screenshots as needed.
Custom Home Builder Solutions, CHS, is a comprehensive construction accounting and project management software designed specifically for custom home builders. It provides a wide range of features to streamline operations, improve accuracy, and enhance collaboration across teams. Here's a summary of what CHS software does. Key features. 1. Cost Codes Master. Use cost codes throughout CHS. Load the recommended NAHB cost code centers and modify them as needed, or set up your own from scratch. Include items, pricing defaults, and budget and PO notes for each cost center. Set up items behind the cost code centers to use for requesting bids, for budget detail, for creating POs, and for customer selections. 2. Flexible chart of accounts. Keep the chart of accounts separate from the cost codes master to avoid clutter. Load the recommended NAHB chart of accounts or a simpler version and modify them as needed, or set up your own from scratch. Tutorials on various construction accounting methods and GL accounts used for construction. 3. Comprehensive accounting records. Include vendor, customer, job, department, cost code, and GL number in every accounting record. Quickly search ledgers based on these fields and dates. 4. Job budget estimates and proposals. Create detailed job budgets from vendor bids, default pricing, lists of items, or manually enter amounts. For cost-plus jobs, include links to vendor proposals in budget notes. Upload and include links to plans and mark selected cost centers as allowances, and CHS will track the over-under totals for you, eliminating the need to move over and under amounts into a contingency subcode to get the grand total. 5. Contract types and pricing. Select fixed lump sum, cost-plus builder fee, or cost-plus markup contract types. Enter the desired profit percent, and CHS will suggest a fixed price, builder fee, or markup to achieve the desired profit. As jobs progress and estimated costs at completion vary, CHS will calculate revised contract prices and balances based on the contract type. 6. Proposals based on contract types. Set up proposal styles like preliminary proposal or final budget proposal, etc. that include title, headers, and footers. Send proposals to customers based on contract type to customers. For fixed, show the marked up numbers. For cost plus markup, show the budgeted costs and marked up amounts. For costs plus fee, show the budgeted costs only with the builder fee added at the end. Produce summary proposals grouped and totaled by stage for some forecasting of expected draw payments. 7. Purchase and work orders. Issue and manage purchase orders and work orders to keep everyone informed about who is doing the work and for how much. Create POs or work orders from vendor bids, budgeted amounts, or from scratch. Send POs to vendors for them to sign on their portal. 8. Change order management. Manage and track change orders efficiently. ensuring all adjustments are documented and reflected in a revised project budget. Send change orders to customers for approval and signing on their portal. 9. Real-time job cost monitoring. Track job costs for specific construction tasks, such as roofing, framing, and plumbing. Monitor job costs in real time to ensure projects stay within budget. CHS captures all relevant data and calculates the current estimated costs at completion. 10. Incurred actual job costs. Enter and track all actual job costs as they are incurred, allowing for accurate financial reporting and cost management. During data entry of job costs, receive alerts about budget and/or PO overages, and send notes to other CHS users that can be seen when reviewing estimated costs at completion and when approving the job costs to pay. Receive alerts about vendor insurance or license expirations, and send requests for vendors to upload updated documents on their portal. Post payables as unpaid to pay later, or paid by manual check, ACH debit, credit card, or by an outside party. 11. Online approval of job costs to pay. Project managers can approve unpaid job costs for their assigned jobs. The builder owner can approve both unpaid job costs and overhead bills to pay. During approval, drill down to a copy of the vendor bill, the current over-under status of the related cost center, a related PO, and all notes and messages about the job and cost center. 12. Lists of payments and checks and reconciliations. Print lists of payments or checks for a selected bank account or credit card account. Narrow down those lists to show how much was for one job, no matter how many jobs were included on a check or credit card charge. Reconcile bank and credit card accounts. 13. Up-to-date interactive estimated costs at completion, ECC. Monitor expected over and under budgeted job costs. Use interactive features on the ECC worksheet to select lower POs for the ECC, mark actual costs as done and adjust ECC, or type in a revised expected cost. Drill down to all details behind the estimated job costs, revised contract price and balance, revised expected profit, and current job cash status. See a powerful report of the estimated costs at completion that lists the actual job costs detail. 14. Owner review of expected gross profits by job. Instantly review contract prices, estimated costs at completion, gross profits, revenues received, revenues remaining, outstanding amounts to pay, and cash balances for all active jobs on one report. 15. Waivers of lien, insurance audit reports, and 1099s. Produce waivers from job costs that have been paid and send them to vendors for signing on their portal. Produce insurance audit reports with links to certificates for subcontractors. Mark that insurance is required. Capture and upload 1099's electronic data to your 1099 provider. 16. Billing and revenue tracking. Handle billings based on different contract types and track job revenues accurately. Prepare progressive job billings and draw requests for clients or bankers based on their contract types. For cost-plus jobs, CHS marks costs that have been drawn and presents undrawn costs to draw. For fixed lump sum jobs, use a % complete draw request. Send draw requests or billings to customers for them to review on their portal. 17. Job revenues and cash flow by job. Monitor job cash flow and revenues, providing insights into the financial health of each project. Track contract balances and ensure accurate revenue recognition. Drill down to the detail behind a job's cash balance. 18. Post self-performing labor as job costs. Post your payroll and allocate wages to job costs. CHS prepares the necessary journal entries to handle posting the actual wages paid and the marked up wages to job costs. 19. Job list schedules, vendor tasks, and daily logs. Prepare a list schedule based on stages for a job that will auto-include change order delays. Add or take away days as the job progresses to auto-adjust the schedule. Keep a list of tasks assigned to vendors that they can see on their portal. Enter daily logs for each stage of the job. 20. Financial reporting. Produce comprehensive financial statements, including balance sheets, income statements, trial balances, and cash flow statements. Generate job-specific and department-specific financial reports to assess profitability and performance. Use the interactive trial balance summed by jobs to drill down to detail and evaluate the accuracy of job data in the general ledger. 21. WIP and POC reports. Generate work in progress, WIP reports, and percentage of completion, POC calculations to provide a clear view of project status and financials. Drill down on the WIP and percentage of completion numbers to review the detail. Use the percentage of completion tools to prepare periodic POC journal entries to move earnings and costs for the period from work-in-progress balance sheet accounts to income statement accounts. 22. Closing tools. Tools for closing individual jobs and fiscal year-end books, ensuring all financial records are accurate and complete. For closing a job, review the job's trial balance and use tools to send the balances from balance sheet accounts to income statement accounts via a journal entry. For closing the books, select a year-end date and an equity account to close the income statement accounts into, and CHS will prepare the journal entry for you. 23. Document management. Store and manage important documents such as insurance certificates, subcontractor agreements, licenses, and photos in the CHS file cabinet. Tag and organize documents for easy retrieval. 24. Collaboration and permissions. Facilitate collaboration between the construction team and the accounting team with role-based permissions to control access to specific features. Provide portals for home buyers and vendors to interact and review related data. 25. Comprehensive setup and on-screen help tutorials. CHS provides tools and instructions to help move from another accounting software to CHS with detailed explanations about inputting balance forwards by job and posting the detail behind those balances. Help is provided for all the features in CHS related to the screen you are using. Benefits. Streamlined operations. Integrate budgeting, accounting, and project management in one platform to reduce errors and increase efficiency. Real-time insights. Access up-to-date information on job costs, revenues, and profitability to make informed decisions. Enhanced collaboration. Improve communication and coordination between the construction team, accounting team, and other stakeholders. Accurate reporting. Generate detailed financial and project reports to ensure transparency and compliance with industry standards. User-friendly interface. Provide a user-friendly interface and comprehensive tutorials to help users navigate and utilize the software effectively. In summary, CHS software is designed to meet the specific needs of custom home builders by providing powerful tools for accounting, job costing, project management, and collaboration. It helps builders streamline their operations, maintain accurate financial records, and make informed decisions to drive their business forward.
Well, wow, there's no way I could have spit out all of that summary so quickly. CHS is very comprehensive and includes so many things that builders have asked for over the years that we have to do a video like this real quickly to summarize it all. For more detail about anything you saw, please don't miss our complete seminar videos under Feature/Seminar at chssoftware.com. Look for things that you are interested in. Please feel free to call me or to call our in-house resident builder. The numbers are on the screen. And thanks for watching. After putting this video together for weeks, I'm putting on my Texas garb and heading out to explore some hill country back roads. Bye for now.